In the last lecture, I created a basic React application, which you either now downloaded or where you followed along. Now it's time to install some dependencies. For example, the React application obviously uses React or React DOM and the React router. So we should install all these production dependencies. We do this with npm install --save, not --save dev, because we want to indicate that these are production dependencies. And then it's React, React DOM, and React router DOM, like this. These three dependencies are all separated with white spaces and are now installed and therefore placed into the node module folder. Appropriate entries with the latest versions are also added to the package.json file, as you can see. With that, we installed React. We did install Webpack a while ago already. We now need to install a couple of other dependencies to build a workflow, and I will add them step by step whenever we need them. So what I want to do is I now want to start with setting up the Webpack configuration such that it is able to handle next generation JavaScript, CSS, images, and all that fun stuff. Let's start with this in the next lecture.